loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking about us, yeah.
Hey loves, welcome back for another video. Today I'm bringing you some quick laundry motivation. I had a few loads of laundry to do, and of course I had to bring you guys along with me. But before we get too far into the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe if you have not already, make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get to cleaning, and I'm just starting off by washing my first load, getting it started, and then I'm gonna go and tidy up the living room while those wash.
Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no, they wouldn't know about us. They keep wishing that I'd fall in line.
So as you can see, the kids had a block party and they had a really good time. We had just put them down for a nap, so we're going to tidy up the living room so we can have a relaxing, clean space to enjoy while they're sleeping.
One might think it's obvious, please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue, hey. They don't know about us, babe, they don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know a thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no, they wouldn't know about us, They don't know about us.
If this is your very first time visiting my channel today, hi and welcome. My name is Shawn Yvonne and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of two, and on my channel I post motivational cleaning videos just like this one every Sunday and Wednesday. So if that is your thing, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. I won't be doing a lot of talking here on this video because I just want you guys to relax, get you some laundry done if you have something piled up today, and just enjoy the music. I will be popping in and out, so go ahead and introduce yourself if you are new and let me know you're here so we can chat.
They wouldn't know about us, no, they wouldn't know about us. They don't know about Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation, wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna.
Now that I'm done tidying up the living room, that first load of clothes is ready to go in the dryer, and then I'm just going to start another load and let the cycle repeat.
How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation.
of laundry is dry and ready to fold, and I really do enjoy folding. I know a lot of people dread doing laundry, but today I want you to just get up and fold or start some laundry with me, and let's tackle it together. It can really be therapeutic, and if you are just that bored, turn you on a TV show, turn you some good music on, and vibe out. Okay, let's get it done.
Come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start, and you never would talk to me then.
Now we're on to my very favorite part of doing laundry, the folding, you guys. I love folding clothes. I love how neat they can get. I don't know what it is about folding laundry that is so relaxing for me, but I could really sit and fold clothes all day. I feel like I haven't done a thing, and this was a welcome break for me. I have been really exhausted. I have been overextending myself, and I said today I was going to give myself a break, which I did. And I know you're probably thinking laundry is not a break, but for me this is so relaxing. It's just like reading a book to me. I just enjoy it.
Make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place.
is dry, and I just wanted to show you guys. I had gotten my Grove order in, and I'm not showing the entire haul because it is in the kitchen and I did not feel like taking the camera in there, but I did grab this 3-pack of microfiber cloths. I don't know if any of you have used these before, but I am going to give them a wash and try them out, and hopefully they don't get all fuzzy and linty over time. So if you've used them, let me know.
People acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking, talking, talking about us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't.
Alright, loves, I just wanted to quickly thank you guys so much for hanging out and doing some laundry with me, or just watching and enjoying this motivation. I hope it gets you up and gets you started on some tasks around your house today. Don't forget to give this video a like if you've enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any future uploads. Leave me a comment down below. You know I love talking to you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.